Here's my rainwater that comes from the roof. So lots of it comes down here. It's got a tap. It's got a tap. Got a nice lever valve under it. So what I'm going to do now today is use it to top up the fish tank. So stick that in there. Open it up, and as you can see, water. Now you probably want to know why I'm topping it up. I will top the fish tank up to the top, and then let's have a little look here. I will turn the pump off, and I have another lever valve there which I turn on, and if you look over here, it is a open vent. So I'll open that up there, and I'll use it to water my plants. So all the plants get like water that's been through the fish tank for days. And yeah, so the setup is like pump's turned off at the moment. That makes the top very drained down because the water's not coming through it. So yes, once this pours in there and fills up, then I will then go on the other side and water my rhubarbs. All my rhubarbs they don't just get rainwater, they definitely don't get tap water, they're pure rainwater. So top up the rainwater into the fish, put the pump on, let it circulate for a little while, and then because the fish create poo creates nitrite, which turns into nitrate, and nitrate is plant food. So basically you're developing your own plant food out of pure rainwater. So you've got the best. What is the point of having all these fish pooies if you don't use everything to its benefit? It's a great way to use water. And if I do run out of the other water, I haven't put it into thingy, but I have another tank which is 1,500 litre, which I need to put back into, and I've got 1,000 litre there. But you know, water is everything now. We need to make sure we're keeping it, holding it back, and using what comes for free. Thanks for watching.